Hi guys! Today we wanted to address a question we get a lot from our followers and our customers, and that's how to treat your skin when it's feeling sensitive.
So, how do you know if you have sensitive skin? Well, contrary to popular belief, it's actually not a skin type at all. It's more of a condition, so anyone with oily, dry, or combo skin can all have sensitive skin.
Sensitivity is often caused by another skin condition like rosacea or eczema or dermatitis. It can also be the result of harsh environments, ones that are too hot or too cold, or just plain overexfoliation.
All of the things we just mentioned have one thing in common. They can all disrupt your skin's protective barrier. When your skin barrier is compromised, that's when it becomes inflamed and irritated. If you want to learn more about your skin barrier, be sure to check out our Skin Barrier 101 video.
If your skin is particularly delicate for any of these reasons, here are some tips on keeping it calm and happy.
Tip 1. Always patch test new products. If you know your skin is sensitive, it's important to make sure that you test new products on a small area before incorporating them fully into your routine.
Start by taking a small amount, about the size of a pea, and applying it to an area of your skin that is fairly hidden, in case there's a reaction. Behind your ear, or the back of your neck, or inside your elbow could work for this.
Wait 24 hours to see if any reaction or irritation occurs. If you feel any burning, tingling, or discomfort that lasts for more than a minute, wash off the product immediately with warm water.
Tip number 2 is to use a gentle cleanser. If you're experiencing sensitivity, your skin's protective barrier may already be compromised, so make sure you're using a gentle cleanser, specifically one that's sulfate-free and doesn't use harsh surfactants.
We made our Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser sulfate-free and with a mild and natural cleansing agent, so it won't strip your skin. It's also full of blueberry and other berry extracts that protect and strengthen your skin.
Tip number 3 is to be extra with your hydration. When your skin dries out, your barrier can start to break down. To help keep your skin hydrated throughout the day, try keeping a mist with you and spraying your face every few hours.
Our Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist is great for this because it distributes a super fine fog mist that won't disrupt your makeup. It's also made with loads of hydrating watermelon extract and soothing botanicals.
We also recommend adding in a lightweight yet nourishing moisturizer formulated to target redness and irritation into your daily routine. Our Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream contains hydrating banana, magnesium, a mineral known to de-stress, non-comedogenic jojoba oil, and soothing ingredients like cica and turmeric. Tip number 4 is to simplify your routine. So if you have sensitive skin, you may not be the best candidate for a 10-step skincare routine full of active ingredients. Stick to the basics, or as we like to call it, a skip care routine, to avoid introducing any unnecessary products.
Our favorite 3-step routine includes a cleanser that doubles as a makeup remover, a vitamin-packed serum, a moisturizer that's suited to your skin concerns, and if it's a daytime, always SPF to top it all off.
Tip number 5 is to swap out physical exfoliants for AHAs. We love how acids exfoliate at the surface to gently buff away dirt, dead skin, and debris. But unlike physical exfoliants, AHAs chemically break down the glue that holds dead skin cells together, allowing them to be just washed away.
This makes AHAs like lactic acid or PHA a great option for sensitive skin. On the other hand, physical exfoliants can actually create micro tears on the surface of your skin, damaging the barrier and leading to infection or inflammation. So if you have sensitive skin, it's best to avoid them.
Tip number 6 is to choose the right kind of retinol. So you probably already heard us wax poetic about why we love retinol, but if you have sensitive skin, you may have been avoiding this ingredient.
While prescription retinoids might be too strong for those with sensitive skin, an over-the-counter retinol product that's still effective but less potent could do just the trick.
When we created our avocado melt retinol line, we actually included encapsulated retinol to make it more suitable for users with sensitive skin.
Another trick is to apply your retinol products after your moisturizers. Studies have actually shown that moisturizers don't inhibit the absorption of retinol, so try using it as the very last step of your routine.
Tip number 7, avoid known irritants. If you're suffering from sensitivity, start by taking a look at the ingredients on your skincare products and identifying any commonly known irritants. Parabens, for example, are preservatives that can sometimes cause allergic reactions to those with eczema or dermatitis.
Synthetic dyes and fragrances in high quantities can also irritate sensitive skin. However, it's important to look at the formulation of your products as a whole before counting products out.
So you might be thinking, isn't Glow Recipe all about sensoriality? Yes, but in all Glow Recipe formulations, fragrance is less than 0.5% of the total formulation. And we made sure to include fragrance that doesn't have known irritants.
If you're dealing with sensitive skin, we hope this was helpful. Let us know if you have any personal tips in the comments below.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Get your glow on!